Oh, should I change my shirt or does it matter?
I'm wearing the same thing, so you could just honestly straight up say, yeah, we recorded this right after we got so inspired. We wanted to do this.
That sounded so fake. Hi guys.
That'd be a little more enthusiastic.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Again, it's Amy and
I'm Tatiana.
Today, actually, you know what? I'm gonna let Tati explain what we doing today. Tati, what we doing today? What are we doing?
Alright, so I had a great idea to do like a Fomo tour look or like just a pretty much inspired eye makeup look. Just to give y'all content.
Oh my god, is the microphone on? So, what are the colors for the EP for Pretty Much album?
Obviously their color's yellow. So yellow I would keep on there, and I think it's green and blue. Blue hair.
Okay, so that's what the EP looks like.
We could just insert a digital photo too.
Oh yeah. Oh god. Okay. Okay, so this is what the EP looks like.
For you hooded eyes, peeps, probably gonna have to do my look. I'm not a makeup guru.
I'm not
We'll see.
Okay, so well then here, since there's like green, red, blue, and yellow, we'll just pick whatever colors we want. It could be like 1 color, 2 color, 3 colors, or all 4, and then we'll just do whatever we feel like.
From back here.
Bro, wouldn't it be the funniest thing if there was like, yeah, y'all both look like crap. I want to play music while we do it, but like copyright. Like, what are we supposed to do?
Talk. Let's have a conversation.
The white primer helped a lot with colors being pigmented, and like you have to layer it on there, but hold on. Hi. Pretty good.
For sure to have yellow, because that's like their main thing, you know?
I feel like I should do something simple, because I feel like if I try and do something out of this world, I'll regret it. I'm scared to do that, you know what I'm saying? But I'm one of those people who like to do bold stuff, like go big or go bold. I mean, go big or go bold. Go big or go home, you know? Like I'm not a scary chick, you know? I'll stand down. I just gotta. But sometimes it's like you need to know the time and place for that, because if you're not good at makeup, putting loud shades on your lid is not cute.
I usually do neutral colors because hooded eyes are already complicated, so might do. Mix it up with some.
Look, we didn't plan this out. We just went for it. So
yeah, so appreciate it because it's not easy.
Wait, you already started?
Yeah, what do you think?
Gosh.
I will tell you something. I think you're better at it than me.
Gee, thanks. Because I don't know if you've seen my videos lately.
I have, and I think they're great.
She needs some work. We just embarrassed ourselves on the internet.
Because you're definitely still posting it.
Yeah, because I'm definitely still getting them views. Yeah. All 27 of them.
You know, sometimes you don't see the numbers you want, you know? That doesn't mean you should give up. Just kind of see
but you know, it's like you gotta know the difference about like when to give up. What am I doing? Guide me. Guide the way. Take the wheel. Cause I don't have control right now. That's what this is. What did you say? Bro, what is going on with the both of us? That's what I'd like to know. A lot of the times when you do makeup, it always looks bad before it looks good.
Yeah.
Cause you're not done. I think maybe it's just like that, you know? Yo, this brush is crap. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm disgusting. I'll be like, what you doing today with your leg? It's different.
With my legs?
Yo, with your Yo, I just had deja vu. That was weird. We've already done this.
No.
Yes, we filmed this video before.
No, we haven't.
That was so weird. You said my leg. We already did this. Tatiana, I'm not tripping. I feel time travel is real, bro.
Real in your dreams, maybe.
No, bro. This just is starting. Oh my gosh, that was the weirdest feeling. God, I look ugly. Do you see this?
You don't
Look at these star constellations on my face.
Oh my gosh. You're one of those girls that get the smallest pimples and you're like, oh my gosh, I have pimples.
Stop, that's rude. Let me be the first to say, I don't know what I'm doing, and it's okay. I'm gonna admit it. I don't like those girls who always got the same makeup every day.
That's me.
Oh my god! I didn't know that was you.
I do the same look all the time.
Oh, I can't stand it. Because it's so boring. It's like, who are you? It's like a world full of colors and you like to stick to your little tangerine, Maria.
You know, for me, it's that I already have.
Sometimes I'm like, why do I do this to myself? Like, this is a decision that I made this morning when I woke up. I knew what was going to happen. And I let it happen anyway. Sorry, Janari. Buns, 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 buns. She a model. She walked that runway. And model, can you run that my way? You don't know that song from middle school?
No.
When Jerkin used to be in?
If I'm being honest, I just listen to so much worship that it's like...
Amen. Amen. We need to all be like Tatiana. Amen. Comment down below if you have hooded eyes like Tati.
Or what type of eyes you have, because there's a couple of them. What about boys do you want to talk about?
They all suck.
Why are you saying that all boys suck?
Because they do.
What is something that's like happened to you to make you feel that way?
The past.
No other explanation, just the past. Sometimes I'll think of things as been like long gone and I'll be like, dang, that really happened. Why did I allow that to happen?
I know. I think that's what makes me upset the most sometimes. Like, not even whatever the boy did. Like, why were you dumb enough to let him do it to you? Like, what? Yo, I am struggling to cut this crease.
Well, I'm done.
I stopped. I should have stopped. Do you ever think, like, don't do it, and then you do it and you're like, I should have stopped. I knew I shouldn't have kept going. Oh my god, I have to go to the store. I'm finna put a hood on. Yo, this crease is terrible. Do you see this, y'all? Bro, we finna get roasted in the comments. I look like the Amazon bird that went extinct. The one from Rio. Oh my gosh. Poor bird. Why did we do this to him? He didn't deserve it. Or she. Or them.
They.
You're terrible humans. They. All the genders. Never mind. I'm not gonna do it. Thanks guys for watching.
But which one do you like more?
Here's my look.
Mine, that's hard to see.
Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload.
Comment below whose look you like better.
You could say neither too. That's fine too.
That's definitely an option.
Definitely an option. For yours truly, to you, I'm Amy.
And I'm Tati.
And I'll see you guys in my next video. Later.
Like woo 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 woo. You know how the kids do woo woo. When I'm in my truth, turn up on you when I'm in my truth. Yeah. Alley alley you when I'm in my truth. When I'm in my truth, pull up in that like woo.